All right, so we're recording now. It's just Melissa and I, and for Mike and Allie, we'll go ahead and record our process of going through the group meeting quiz together, and then I'm going to go ahead and submit. So hopefully this will help you guys out if you get a chance to look today before it's due. So we'll just fill out the first two.
Okay, let me get start. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so we need to go to the wrong site, patient.
And you have to have SPSS to open that.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's located on the data page?
It's on the data page, yeah. It's in SPSS. So when you, oops, sorry, dog, sorry. When you go to open it, if you don't have SPSS, it won't open.
Okay, all right.
On the data page, it has the Excel. So maybe if you try opening in Excel,
Okay.
I know you're not supposed to use it, but I think it's similar. And this time
Just
you
to
could,
find okay.
at least to get this going, you know.
Okay, so to clarify for any group members that are watching, my SPSS is not working yet, so we're trying to work around that too.
Okay. So when you open the file, and then you have to have it do the histogram. And then when it does the histogram, it will tell you the mean. And it wants the wrong site. Okay.
Okay. You know, I'm not even sure where the data page in the textbook is.
You can find it on the link on the little homework, the group meeting. When we clicked on group meeting, it had the link where you could click on it there. So maybe if you go and open up an iLearn again.
Okay, I will do that.
Okay.
Okay, I see it here. Yeah, it's not letting me open it in Excel either.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I'm wondering, you can open it. Are you able to share your screen so that I can um, at least look at the data to, okay, so we need to find the mean.
Yeah. Let me, hold on. I'm going to try, but I don't know if I can.
Okay, well, it's a
So,
good time to try.
yeah.
So it's the on the left side, it's a green little, uh, it's got a green screen with a little arrow.
Okay. Hold on. First, I'm going to have to
Oh,
log
you're on a different computer. Yeah.
in. Yeah. So let me, okay. Let me go to Google Plus. Okay. And then, okay. Click allow. Oh. I don't even know if I have a camera on this. Okay. Hopefully I can both computers and we'll be okay. It won't.
Okay.
I'm hoping it doesn't like make a funny sound.
Okay.
All right. Oh. Okay. Woo. Okay. So, all right. This is very weird. Very weird. Okay, I have my other screen up. So you said I need to look for a green.
Yep. Yep. Right in the, if you hover over it, it's green and it says screen share, and it should give you options about which part to share.
Okay. Let me turn this volume off so I don't hear myself twice.
Yeah, that's pretty funny when there's an echo.
Can you hear it?
Just a little. It's not too distracting.
I turned it off.
Okay.
Okay. I do not see a green on my screen.
Okay, you have to click on the top of it first so that it's pulled to the front.
Oh, I see.
Hover over, and it should say screen share when you hover over the little green um, screen with an arrow.
I'm trying.
Yeah, no worries.
It just popped up and now it's gone again. Okay. I'm hovering all over the place. Oh, there it is. Okay, green screen. Screen share. Entire screen. Okay. And woohoo, that worked.
Okay, good.
I'm gonna minimize that screen. Okay, so can you see?
Okay, so you're gonna have to mute the microphone on the one you're on, and then, or oh wait, if we all click on this, okay, I clicked on it, so it's showing up for me. So you have to, if you need to click on the little icon of your other screen down at the corner in order to pull it up. Otherwise, it might be just me talking, you know?
Oh, no. Do I need to pull back up the Hangouts?
No, I think it's good. Oh, yeah, but I think it's good because I think it just shows my recording. So I should be able to, like our group should be able to see your screen now.
Okay.
Because I can see it. Okay, so
Well, we go back up. We did the first two, so now we're looking at number 3. And then, so over here, where my guy is, I can make it bigger, but can you see it how it is, or does it need to be bigger?
I can see it how it is. So basically, I was gonna take the numbers and just do the manual, you know,
Okay.
to get the mean, but that's just, my way of doing it because I don't have the software, so I don't know if it'd be better just to use the software and not worry about that. I don't know. What do you think?
You can just follow along, because you'll see exactly what I'm seeing. You would be able to utilize the same numbers.
Okay, that sounds good.
This is the histogram
Okay.
here for the wrong site. This is what
Okay.
comes up. And then it automatically tells you the mean right over here, and the standard deviation,
Okay.
the sample size, n is the sample size. So the answers to 3 and 4 are right here.
Uh-huh. So it's
$80,041 and then 71,404. So, because they said round to the nearest whole dollar.
yes. Good, good, good. Okay, so
Then when we go down,
mhm.
I was figuring out the median survival time, so I wrote the numbers down on my paper, and
Okay.
I used the calculator right here, so I can do it again. 5 plus 19 plus 1 plus 3 is 28, and then there's 4, so we divide by 4, and we get 7. So the median survival time is 7 months.
So that's the mean. I think that's the mean survival time, isn't it? Because isn't median where you sort them first from the lowest to the highest? So like you would put 1, 3, 5, then 19,
You're right.
and
I
then
did
take the two middle ones, right? So 3 and 5, and do the mean
4.
of those two.
You're correct.
So 4. Is that
Yeah,
okay?
4.
Oh, I'm useful. Good. I
Yeah.
was worried that without the software I wouldn't be able to help at all. So, yay.
No.
Okay, so
Everything else they've had us figure out is the mean. So
yeah,
then they tripped me up on the median.
yeah. I think that's probably the point of this question was like, all right, let's throw in one of those random medians.
Yeah.
Okay, so the standard deviation of the survival times.
So that's the standard deviation is the funny looking s, which is equal to the square root of s squared. So
Yeah.
we can do that all on our own with the little plotting.
Okay.
For that one, we need the mean.
Yes. Yeah.
So the mean is 7.
Okay. So
So it would be all those numbers minus 7, and then they get squared.
okay. Okay, so the way that so is this something you can use SPSS to find the standard deviation?
I think so.
Okay, so we can check it in there, or I did the equation where it was like the sum of the deviations over n minus 1 equals the s squared, so then I took the square root of that, and I got 3.055. My dog's barking. Silly dog.
So it would be 200 divided by 3. 1, 2, 3. So you took the squared of all of them and added it up. I got 200.
So what I did is so kind of the
I got 200, and we have to divide that by n minus 1, and then take the square root.
oh, okay. So I did something wrong. I added okay, so we have to take the absolute values of the difference between the number and the mean. Does that make sense?
Yes, absolute value.
Okay, so let me try that again and see what I get, because I didn't do that.
When you square them, then the negatives become positives.
Yes.
So have you figured out what the deviation is?
7 point, sorry, one more thing.
No problem.
I got 2.71, 2.708. So are we able to, oh, this is you doing it in the software. Okay, this is what that looks like.
Yeah, I was waiting until you came
Oh,
back.
cool. Thank you.
My S is not the same. Okay, so I just changed, I went to, this is variable view.
Okay.
And so it says months here, 0 decimals, then went back to the data view, so it goes this direction.
Okay.
And take a graph. We go to this legacy dialogues over all the way down to histogram.
Okay.
And you click on months and you put it into your variable and you say okay, and then this is what I have to go down because I have all these other things open in there.
Okay.
So you go to make a new graph, like when I did the wrong site and the wrong patient, I did the wrong site first, and then you can just go back and download wrong patient, and it just adds it to the bottom, so you have, they're all stacked together.
Okay.
Here's our months one. If I go up, there's my box plots that I made. Here's that stuff. This is the wrong, here we are, wrong site, and then here's all the information, and it goes to the wrong patient. So they're all here. It just keeps opening more at the bottom.
Oh, I see. So you'd have to kind of zero it out and start over if you wanted to not have all of that.
Yep. So our mean is 7.
Okay.
Standard deviation is 8.2 if we round up.
Okay.
So
8.2.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So
well, I'm not sure what I did wrong there, but calculating it by hand seems less efficient anyway.
Okay.
And it said we only have to do that if it specifically asks for that. So.
Right. Cool. All right. Okay. So back to the test. So our standard deviation is 8.2 months.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Oh, 5-number summary. Okay. So did you understand the 5-number summary? I
understood the basic concept of it, just that you know, the five are the minimum, Q1, Q2, or the median, and Q3, and then the maximum. And I understood what it was talking about, quartiles? I don't know how to say that. Quartiles. So I understood some of that stuff, but because I didn't have the software, I was like, oh, well, I don't know how to actually try it, you know?
Yeah. Okay, so this is wrong patient. You can see here the key summary. This is what prints out when you go to get that from it. And so it wants the first number in the 5-number summary. Okay. I have no idea what it wants from that. This is the little box thing that it makes. Was it a box plot? This is what it looks like.
Okay.
So the first number, oh, I know. The first number is the 25 percentile.
Okay.
Right? And then the first number
is the minimum? I don't know.
First, I wrote it down here. Okay, first is the minimum, and the second number is the Q1. So the minimum would be the very minimum amount, which right here it tells us is 0. Okay. So there were times when they paid no money out, so 0 would be the bottom. Okay, so 0. The second number in the 5-number summary would be Q1, right? Right, which is 25%. So here's the percentile, so it would be this number, 3,900. Okay. Rounded to the nearest cent. Okay, and then the fourth number would be, I have that in my notes. I think it's the Q3. So the 70th percentile, which would be, and he said, or in here, it says that we use the top number, this weighted average. That's the number we use. Gus, hush. Gus. I covered it up when I go to click it. So it's 50,000. $436.50 right here.
Okay.
Okay. Woohoo!
Okay.
All right, on to the next. How much is left? Oh, 3 more questions. There we go.
Okay.
Okay, so the third quartile, so we have the minimum here, right? And this is Q1, and then this is Q2, which is the median. I think it's the median. Or is it the mean? I don't like
is the median. Yeah, the median.
the median. So
Mm-hmm.
then this is Q3.
Mm-hmm.
And I would estimate that would be what, like 175?
Yeah, that seems right to me.
Because this is 100.
Oh, sorry, I gotta get out the garden hose and spray my dog. They bark at the neighbor dog. Just a sec. Sorry about that.
Oh, no problem.
It's like, even when my kids are at school, there's something. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
175?
I think that's about, because I think 150 would be right here, so I think that's close. Then the longest time observed, I believe, would be this one here.
Like the very top, the 725 or whatever that is, or 710. I don't, so,
You can say about 725. I think that's supposed to be the maximum.
okay. So what happens if, I mean, because they're not exact, how do we really?
I don't know. I guess he'll look at it and tell us. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know how that would translate into a test question where you enter the field instead of like a multiple choice,
Yeah.
you know?
Uh-huh. Very weird. All right, and then number 12, I believe we can't determine it because to get the mean, we have to add up all of the times and divide it. So we
Yeah,
can't find out the mean.
yeah, so it's not Q2, that's the median. So I think you're right. Okay,
Oh,
so
look, it does have a save for later.
okay. Well, I mean, we do have the option if we wanted to try and email the teacher about number 10 and number 11 and just say, okay, those don't look exact, so, you know,
I'm good. I'm
found
willing
it
to
or
submit.
yeah, I can submit. They're already set. I'll go ahead and do it since you did all the. I'm going to submit it here.
Okay.
So
We're good?
we got 100. Yeah.
Yay, okay. I submit.
Okay. Good. Good. Good.
All
I'm so
right.
glad. Yay. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I was so thinking this is not possible, overwhelmed. So thank you so much. It is better working together.
Yeah, well, let me know if you need help. I mean, I can share a screen with you if that'll help.
Well, I appreciate that you're willing to do that. That's really kind. I think I'm gonna buy the software, and if I'll just email you if I'm like, okay, I'm totally lost. Can you walk me through this? But I think with the tutorials and stuff like that, I should be able to figure it out. So
Okay.
cool. Well, I'll post this on the thing, and hopefully our other wonderful group members can have a chance to look at it, and it can help them. So thank you so much.
Oh, no problem.
Okay.
Are we going to try for Monday?
Monday at what time did we meet last time? 4? Four our time
For our
and 5 their time, right?
Does that work?
Yeah, it's a little crazy around here, but we can make it work. So,
Okay.
okay, thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon.
All right, thanks.
Okay, bye-bye.